Mastering Modal Verbs, a step-by-step guide. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving deep into the heart of English language, focusing on something that often trips up even intermediate learners, modal verbs. We're going to break down how they're used correctly, give you plenty of examples, and help you avoid those common mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll be a master of modals. Before we start with the examples, let's take a quick recap. Modal verbs are a type of auxiliary, or helping, verb that express necessity, possibility, ability, permission or probability. They include verbs like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. Remember, modals never change their form. You don't add s, ed, or ing to them. This is something that makes them different from other verbs. Alright, now that we've refreshed our memories, let's jump into some examples of correct usage of modal verbs. Remember, context is key. The meaning of a modal verb can change depending on the context it is used in. 1. Can. I can play the guitar. Ability. 2. Could. We could go to the movies tonight. Possibility. 3. May. You may leave the room when you're finished. Permission. 4. Might. It might rain later. Probability. 5. Shall. We shall overcome. Determination. 6. Should. You should study before the test. Advice. 7. Will. I will call you tomorrow. Future intention. 8. Would. I would like a cup of tea. Polite request. 9. Must. You must wear a seatbelt. Necessity. These examples should help you understand how each modal verb is used. Now let's put your knowledge to the test. Try to fill in the blanks with the correct modal verb. 1. I, blank, not be able to come to the party tonight. Expressing uncertainty. 2. You, blank, always ask for help if you need it. Giving permission. 3. It's late. I, blank, go home now. Expressing necessity. 4. We, blank, visit grandma at the hospital tomorrow. Making plans. Take your time to answer these. We will reveal the answers in our next video. And that's a wrap, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what modal verbs are, to seeing them in action and practicing them ourselves. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering modal verbs. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language learning content. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy studying!